G'day guys and welcome back. So today, obviously we're still in lockdown, so I can't get out in the car, can't do any driving unless it's essential, which I think I pushed the boundaries of the last one. So today I'm going to take you through a little purchase I made pre-lockdown. I went to a car event with the local car club, the MG Car Club of Victoria, and they had a swap meet, and I took my daughter out, gave my wife a little bit of a sleep in, so I thought, yeah, okay, let's go along to this swap meet, let's have a bit of a look. Not really thinking I was going to purchase anything big anyway. So anyway, while I was there, I found something. I come across something for this little A, and I'm really excited. It's something that's going to be a little bit of a project. It's going to be something that I'm going to put a little bit of work into, but I think it's going to be a game changer. Okay, damn, it's cold too. I must say, like, lockdown's been fun. We've had some sunshine, so it's been good to be outside, but damn, it's changed. So anyway, guys, here it is. It's sitting here while I'm looking at myself here. Really desperate need of a haircut. Okay guys, here it is. Yep, got myself a hard top and it looks sensational. It's a raw fiberglass hard top. It's going to need a lot of work. Alrighty guys, so it's genuinely going to need a bit of tidying up. Okay, it's rough, it's raw, it's going to need some mounts added to it. It's going to need interior trim added to it. It's going to need good sanding back. Possibly some refiberglassing. It's going to need some rubbers, a window. Just see, it's really cool, hey? How cool is that? It doesn't sit too high, which is what I really like. Sort of fits the profile really, really well of the car. I've seen some of these where they're sort of really high roof, but that genuinely sits really, really nicely, which is what I really like. And I think the red works too, hey? I've seen different versions of hardtop roofs on Roadsters, and they're all sorts of colours, white, black, all that sort of stuff, but I genuinely think this is going to end up being red. I think I'm going to get it to match the car. It's going to be cool. I didn't pay 180 bucks. I promise I didn't pay 180 bucks for this. But hey, I think it's worth 180 bucks, don't you? Honestly, guys, absolute steal. But it's probably going to cost me a fair bit of money to get this sorted, hey, and dialed in. But I think it's genuinely going to be worth it. Now, if you've got any information on these sort of roofs, or have done some fiberglass work before, or if you've even repaired one of these fiberglass hardtop roofs, or even started one, write a comment down below, because this is going to be a project that I'm going to get underway shortly, so that it's all ready to go for next winter. There you go guys, so that's the quick purchase that I did before COVID-19, and I'm truly excited. I've really got to get this happening, hey, and hopefully you guys can help out, give me some ideas on what you think, maybe the colour, trim, inside, mounts, all that sort of stuff. If you've got any information on these sort of roofs, feed them through, leave a comment. While you're there, tap the subscribe button if you wish. Don't mind, but hey, it'd help me out. And look forward to bringing you some more content. We are so close from getting out of the restrictions now. So hopefully soon we can bring you some more car content, more drives, which is sort of really what I want to be doing. Alrighty guys, enjoy, thanks for coming.